In the world of sales, customer support, and team onboarding, video messages are becoming a powerful way to communicate. Instead of long emails or endless meetings, you can send a quick screen recording or personal video that explains exactly what you mean. Loom is all about speed and simplicity. It lets you record your screen, camera, or both in just a few clicks. Once you finish recording, the video uploads automatically to the cloud, and you get a shareable link instantly. This makes Loom perfect for sending quick explainer videos, walkthroughs, or personalized messages to clients and teammates without any hassle. One of Loom's biggest strengths is how fast and intuitive it feels. The interface is clean and minimal, so you can focus on the message instead of the software. You can trim videos, add call-to-action buttons, and reposition your camera bubble for better engagement. Comments and emoji reactions allow recipients to respond directly on the video, creating a lightweight feedback loop. Loom integrates with tools like Slack, Gmail, and Notion, making it easy to embed videos in emails, internal docs, or chat messages. Loom is particularly appealing for small to medium teams, startups, or individual creators who want to send videos quickly without worrying about branding or advanced analytics. Vidyard, on the other hand, is built with sales, marketing, and enterprise onboarding in mind. It offers a more robust set of tools for creating, sharing, and tracking video performance. With Vidyard, you can record screen and camera, add overlays, captions, and branding, and then track exactly who watched, for how long, and what actions they took. This makes it ideal for sales outreach, customer success, and formal onboarding processes. Vidyard excels at analytics and personalization. Sales teams can insert personalized video messages directly into emails, CRM workflows, or LinkedIn messages. Recipients can interact with videos through clickable calls to action, forms, or links, helping drive conversions and engagement. It also integrates with tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Marketo, giving teams insight into how videos contribute to pipeline and customer success metrics. Another advantage of Vidyard is its professional polish. You can fully brand videos with logos, colors, and custom thumbnails, creating a consistent experience for clients or employees. The platform also includes advanced editing, video libraries, and team management features, making it scalable for larger teams that send hundreds of videos per week. If you need quick, informal, and easy-to-share video messages, Loom will save you time and effort. But if your focus is professional outreach, onboarding, or tracking how viewers engage with your content, Vidyard gives you the tools to measure impact and optimize results. Both platforms make asynchronous video communication easier, faster, and more engaging, so it really comes down to whether speed or analytics is your priority.